Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you on how to display hello world using Kotlin programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So to display hello world on the screen using Kotlin, we have here fun main. It is the starting point of every Kotlin program. We have here begin and then print line, open and close parentheses, double quotation without the semicolon, hello world, and then we close with the right curly bracket. If you have a background in C programming, Perl programming, or C++, it is quite similar, or even Python. Okay, so let us go to our online GDB to run the code. Okay, so we have here hello world in Kotlin. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to display hello world in Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.